So the second choice that you have is directions and how to identify them. Now this topic is really very easy and I want you all to pick this topic to make a project file. By now you should be knowing that there are four cardinal directions. Four cardinal directions. Cardinal directions are those directions which are used in map making and also for the movement for GPS. So wherever we go, we represent the area with its direction. So where it is located, like Pakistan is located to the northwestern part of India, Nepal is located to the northeastern part of India, China is in the northeastern part, like that. We have to explain the areas with the directions. So there are four cardinal directions: north, east, south and west. Whenever we explain the directions, please remember north is the most important direction, and whenever we make a map, we try to find out the north first, because once we know the north, we can easily mark all the other directions. So north, magnetic north, which is shown by the compass, is always towards the North Pole. Remember it. North Pole is 0 degree as well as 360 degree. You have learnt this in your chapter of longitudes and latitudes. North Pole is a point where you will find both the longitude 0 and 360. So both the points, like if we talk about the degree of a circle, then at one point of time you will see that 0 and 360 meet together in a circle. So North Pole is that place. That is why it is so important. So if you have to explain location of any place and it is located in like Afghanistan. Afghanistan is located in the northern part of India, while Nepal is in the northeastern part of India. So we will never say that Nepal is located in the east northern part. We will always say that Nepal is located in the northeastern part. So in the directions, remember, north is given first preference, south is given second preference, east is given third preference, and west is given fourth preference. For example, Orissa is located to the southeastern part of India. We will not say it is located in the east southern part of India. Okay, so southeastern. If north is not there, south is there, it will be given first preference. Fine. So let's go ahead. There are four major directions: northeast, northeast and southwest. There are secondary directions also, which are called as intermediate directions. Cardinal points in degrees. North is at 0 degree, also 360 degree. East is at 90 degree. South is at 180 degree. West is at 270 degree. So if you divide one portion of the earth into degrees, these are the degrees. Intermediate directions, I'll explain you here. You can pick up any diagram. On internet there are so many beautiful figures of cardinal points. You can pick up any point, any picture. This is very nice picture I picked. You can draw this also. This you have to draw. This you can't paste a picture. Please draw this. So north, east. The place which is located between northeast will be called as NE, not EN. The place which is located between N and NE will be NNE. The place which is located between NE and E will be ENE. Remember why ENE here? Why we are not writing north? Because it is a main direction. Because in this context, E is the main direction. Alright. In this context, E is the main direction. Here in north and east, north is the main direction. But in this context, E is the major direction. Here east is major because this point is closer to the east, not closer to the north. Okay, so it's far away from the north, that is why ENE. Similarly, all other directions are mentioned. So you should be knowing all these cardinal directions as well as the degrees. You can copy the same material if you want in your project files, but please draw the diagram instead of taking a print and pasting it. I want to see a very beautiful diagram of this. So this was your second topic. Now going back to your internal assessment, you have to make a record file of any three. First and second I have explained. In next class I'll explain you third and fourth, and in Zoom class I'll explain you 5th and 6th. So whatever you want to pick, you can pick out of these 6 topics. You can write about any 3. If you liked what I taught you today, then you can start writing it in your files. So see you in the next class. I hope you liked it, and I'm posting it as a video. At the end I'll post the entire content in a PDF.